relocated to Rwanda is not a punishment, but an innovative way of addressing a major problem to redress the imbalance between illegal and legal migration routes. It will also ensure that those in genuine need of international protection are provided with it in Rwanda. It is a humane and practical alternative for those who come here through dangerous, illegal, and unnecessary routes. And by making it clear that they cannot expect to stay in the UK, we will deter more people from coming here and make such routes unviable. Now, in June, the first plane was ready to relocate people to Rwanda. Our domestic courts, the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court upheld our right to send the flight. However, following an order by an out-of-hours judge in the European Court of Human Rights, the flight was cancelled. The European Court of Human Rights did not rule that the policy or relocations were unlawful, but it prohibited the removal of specific people. This was a without notice order, and the UK was not invited to make representations to oppose it. Mr. Speaker, as a result, we've been unable to operate relocation flights pending ongoing legal proceedings. However, we have continued to prepare by issuing notices of intent for those eligible for relocation. Today, the High Court, in a judgment spanning over 130 pages, Lord Justice Lewis and Mr. Justice Swift held that it is indeed lawful for the government to make arrangements for relocating asylum seekers to Rwanda and for their asylum claims to be determined in Rwanda rather than in the United Kingdom. The court held further that the relocation of asylum seekers to Rwanda is consistent with the Refugee Convention and with the statutory and other legal obligations upon the government, including obligations imposed by the Human Rights Act. Mr. Speaker, this judgment thoroughly vindicates the Rwanda partnership. Yeah.